Afternoon, guys. Just want to check in with you guys and comment on the market action. It's powerful reversals going on here. Bitcoin 57,850, back to my original entry point. Uh, I actually want to update you guys. I actually exited my Bitcoin trade. I got out flat because I was able to, lower my cost of entry. But I figured I was looking at some of the picks I was giving out last couple of days, and they look stronger. So I figured, why not just rotate into one of those? And the coin I actually picked up was Filecoin. So that's why I got it here, number 4. But yeah, let's just talk about Bitcoin. You know, during this period, I was actually seeing a lot of bearish chatter on Twitter, about a potential head and shoulders, right? Shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, which still could play out. Yeah, those TA guys who called it, yeah, they could still play out, obviously. But like I said before, this is more upward pressure, right? If you want to call a top on a head and shoulders in a Bitcoin bull market, that's kind of foolish, in my opinion. It's not the trend's not over till it's over. So, and what's the old saying? The trend is your friend. So, yeah, look at this powerful candle. Let's see if we can get rid of that now. Get rid of that. Clean this up a little. Okay. And okay, that's a little bit clearer, right? So it closed below 18, and so that's kind of we're going to head down to the lower boundary of this pennant, but it didn't. It's coming back up strong. It's what's it up? Almost $2,000. Yeah, really strong performance, and I'm gonna switch over to Filecoin now. Even though it's still a negative. Look at this action, huh? So we have that. I guess what you call that, shooting star. So that called the end of this entire up move, right? From here, $31 to, what was it again? To 238. Yeah. So massive move. So you got this day on the daily. This is not a weekly chart. This is daily candles. We have that hanging doji or the shooting star. I mean, so like it violently rejected this area. But on the downside, we've got a hammer. Hammer after 18. The magical 18 moving average, right? So let's get into this a little bit more. And what can we see? Yep, double bottom on a 4 hour and good strong movement up. And now we are, it's kind of a long flag, but here's a flag. Okay, got this on the hourly. And we can draw a downtrend line. So I wouldn't draw a line for me. Instantly I can see right there. Rough draw, but that's all you need. Don't need to be super accurate, but see, I'm messed it up already. Oh, there we go. That'll do. So yeah, you figure it's gonna at least get up to here some point tonight, midnight. So in the next 7-8 hours. That's a good move right there. 151 onto 159. And let me show you my Binance. So, like I said, I got out of the Bitcoin trade flat. It was like a $1 or $2 profit, whatever. Maybe it was a little loss because of the the maintenance margin. I think they take it out every day, so that's fine. But yeah, already positive on the Filecoin trade. Entry 151.757. Current price 151.779. Just gone negative, but it looks good, doesn't it? not too bad. So that's that trend line. You see it? It's basically curved, but you want to see it go to 160. Let's see how it reacts there. If it kind of like rolls over again, then I'm going to exit this trade. But there's a double bottom, so just that alone is $15 roughly. 15 plus 148 is 163. So this attack's going to make sense, right? Let's back it up. And let's also rip through the other calls or picks I made. It's not really calls, you know. Hopefully nobody's trading what I'm calling out here, but I'm just giving you ideas, right? So Bitcoin, BNB. I bet it's doing well. Yeah, here we go. Remember, it was like around 370 the other day. Let's see if I actually got it over here. Yeah, here's the synthetics. What have I got over here? Did I actually have it on its own idea? Bitcoin, Binance. Here we go. Oh, it's a video. Sorry. Okay, whatever. Let's go back. BNB perp. There we go. It's the old chart. We're in blue sky territory, right? We are all-time new highs on Binance. So this is 450. That is 500. Yeah, this could happen all very, very quickly, and you've seen that's okay. Here we can do just a trend line. It's gonna maybe adhere to, but maybe we'll just move away from. Oh no, this is not gonna work. Restart. Try and draw something like that. Oh yeah, we got this better. Okay, just something that's gonna bounce around. Okay, so let's see where it goes to. 1,000 by what? Are you seeing this? 1,000 by end of the month. Altseason. This could be a good one. So yeah, BNB. I should have got that one instead of Filecoin. Now I'm kicking myself. Oh well, can't win them all, especially when you're only playing with $900. Definitely can't win them all. What else did I talk about? BTT. This was up strong. Moving areas and okay, move that. Okay, so 7 cents and 7/8, right? Okay, but let's have a look at the momentum. Just give you more information. Yep, back positive. This is a 3 hour. Let's go to the daily. Wow, obviously, this momentum basically like said, hey, this is screaming way too high. It's just gone berserk. 250. That's probably one of the highest readings I've ever seen. This is gonna be one of the highest readings I've ever seen on this indicator. But look, it didn't come back, so it's still red, but we're above the 0 line, so it's still positive. Let's break it down to the 4, and I'll do the 60 as well. Okay, here we go. Got some more info. It's about to pop. This is BTT. Let's see the 2 hour. Yeah, 2 hours already good. Yeah. When would you got in? Well, this is signal to go, right? If you're just trading a 2 hour. So that once this candle closes, it's closed above 0, right? So anything after this, you're looking for entry points. Let's see if you can dial in something where it would have made sense. So I'm just trying to educate you guys. Trading stuff, and there's a lot of noise, right? So this is the 168 moving average, which is on the hourly, it is, I believe, a week's worth of data, but on the 15, it seems to be working well. Look, just rested above it. So that's why you always got to spend time in front of the screen, which is why I don't like to trade anymore. I just don't want to spend 8 hours a day in front of the screen, right? But BTT went from 3/4 of a penny to almost a penny, right? That's a big move, very big move, about 30%. And now, obviously, it's done that test, and it's ready to rock. I would say at least equal to this move. So probably looking at 1 penny and 10th, right? And then we can see what he wants to do. But I would imagine you could see something like this on the reverse. Uh, so this length here. Okay. And if I just flip it over. Okay. You've got a time range, right? 10th of April. That's 2 days. Wow. Going from 7/10 of a penny to 1 penny and a third. Wow. You can make some serious money here. Yeah, because all these are they're USDT paired on Binance. They're all, I think, all available to trade with futures. So yeah, man, serious money to be made. Let me get a little sip of my tea. And I'm just going to whip through these charts real quick. Luna. How is Luna doing? Yeah, this was that ABC down move, right? Yeah, ABC. So, what are you thinking? 17, 18? Or maybe it takes it out. Way everything's moving. Yeah, let's give it a call for like 18. Okay, but keep an eye on this. It was a high flyer. Very high flyer. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, but this is going to scare people. Look how far it is away from something. No, this is 168. Let's see. Let's do a 20. Let's do the 18. Okay. So still below the 18. So technically you'd be trying to go short against it, right? You wouldn't be short now because it's too far away from that average, if that's your reference points. But if it goes back, you want to see how it reacts to the 18. If it pops through or turns over again. So Luna, not the best, in my opinion. E-Gold or Elrond, E-Gold. Yeah, this is much better. Yeah, you got the dull bottom. Did I mark it up? No, I didn't. Let's mark it up. Okay, so just roughly. Okay, tag it. And okay, let's dial it in a little bit. 292. Wow. That's another one I should have got in instead of Filecoin. See, that's why it's trouble having too many stuff to look at. Oh well, I'm gonna stick with my Filecoin, whatever. Yeah, that looks good. If you guys are watching, So it may just come up here very slightly, not too long, and then just moon shoot. That's my guess. Synthetics. How am I doing for time? Okay, we've got time. Synthetics. Still waiting to pop, but looks good, right? Let's do a 3 hours. Yeah, that looks good as well, doesn't it? Rejected. Higher low. We had a trend line kind of break. You see that? Tops, tops, tops. It popped over, tested it. It came back again. So this, yeah, obviously 20 round number is going to be key. What's it at? 1993. This could be happening right now. Yeah, might get over 20. High 1999. Yeah, obviously 20 is a probably bunch of sell orders right there. So once that gets taken out, it should go. And what else? Anything interesting? Litecoin is doing all right. Let's see the dollar one. So always let's do the 4 hour auto. Momentum looking ready to go, isn't it? Yeah. Litecoin could be good. Should be good if Bitcoin goes to 100. What's my call? 5 grand Litecoin. Yeah. So we shall see. I mean, it should get up to 1,000, right? Can it get up to 5 grand in this short period? I'm doubting myself now. Yeah, but I don't know. Once it starts flying, because remember back in 2017, went from $3 to basically 400. Did 100x right there. So what? 224 to 5 grand. That's like 20x. I don't know. And what was the bottom? What's the absolute low? 26, 25. 10. Is that 200x? That's 400x there. Maybe 200x this cycle. Yeah, possible. Okay, now I'm back to believing it could go to 5 grand. Okay, I think I'm almost out of time. Yeah. Oh, let me see. I'll give it a dash, I think. Idea. Synthetics. 60-minute chart with W formation. Yeah, okay, let's see what happened. So it's still early days on this, synthetics. I think that was a dash one. How's this doing? It's not trading views hanging up. Dash 263 up $10. There's daily. Let's give it this in the way. But you guys kind of get the gist. Cup and handle. So it might get up to like 295, 300, and then over the next few days, and then start going. What do I call $500? Yeah, I can see that happening. Yep. All right then. All right, guys. Hopefully you got some value out of this. Bitcoin still under 58 grand. For my Filecoin, let's see what it's doing. Doing all right. Probably gonna tap this downtrend line, right? All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.